Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya and today I have a lot of cards to share with you. I made these cards the past 3 weeks, maybe, or 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks. So let's get started. First, it's my first time to participate in Pinkfresh Studio Challenge. Well, I don't know. No, I take this back. Maybe second or third time. I don't remember. Anyway, so I created a card. They have like a color board theme. So I used this stamp set. This one called Lush Beanies. I love it. I know it looks, I tried so hard, to clean it, but it doesn't want to clean, so nothing I can do. But anyway, looks so beautiful. I didn't use the stencil, I just used the die. Okay, and here is my card. I love how really it turns out. I use watercolors from Schminke. Again, you can use any watercolors, but I really need to use these colors. They are new, so this was my first time to use it to color this card or this flower. Okay, so this is my first card. Then we have Diana Markham stamp set for this month. So we have this beautiful stamp set. This one, okay, there's no name, but this is the add-on for the mushroom soup. I saw all my ambassadors friends sharing the papers and the stamps, so here are the stamps, mushroom soup, and this add-on stamps. I love how she drew the mushrooms, so beautiful. Okay, so this is the first card. I used Mintai paper, this collection called a Country Fair, and this is the paper I used. And I used here a die from Sizzix. This is an old die. It's Hello Kitty by Sizzix. Has this cute 2 mushrooms. And when you open the card, yeah, put it the other way. You would see the mushroom soup recipe. I stamped on design paper also from this collection. And I just colored these flowers and the bug with Copic markers. Then for the add-on, this one layer card. And to make this border, I used this stencil by Simon's Stamp, and this one called the Scalloped Rectangle. Let me show it to you. It has a lot of pieces, so you have like the negative, the borders, and this scalloped rectangle. Okay, and I just color them with Copic markers. So this is the first image or the first card, and this is the second art. Here I did some masking to stamp 2 images together. This one and that one. I'm sorry about the lenses making noise. Trying, to focus. Okay, what else? Yeah, these are old images that I have, but I don't have the stamp anymore because I think I stashed it at some point. This is a stamp set by Colorado Craft Companies. So I found these images that I have. I said, you know what, let me create a card with all these images, because sometimes when I'm excited about a stamp I bought or die, I like, to stamp it or die cut it, then I will use it later. So this is what happened here. So I use black cardstock. I used this imposing folder by Spellbinders, and this one called Hand Drawn Scallops. Okay. I use Copic markers to color these cards. Last but not least, I participated in MFT challenge. So I made this card. Yeah, it has like 3 categories, simple and clean. So I made this for simple and clean. Very simple card. Okay, that's a wrong stamp set. I think I used Happy Winter here. Yeah, but this is an old stamp set by MFT by Stacy Hiakula. Sorry, the camera cut me off. So the first category is clean and simple. The other one is boxes, but I don't have any box die by MFT. The third one is about coloring. So I opened one of the classes that I purchased by Sandy, which how to color or how to draw a blueprint for your home. So I did this one. It's a bathroom. This is my first time trying it, to be honest. I'm really impressed. In her class, she drew a toilet here, but I don't want to do that because I'm going to stamp my images and put it here in this scene. So this unicorn is welcoming you to have a party, you know, in the shower. So I really love it. And this is the stamp set I used. This one called a one-of-a-kind friend. So yeah, if you want to learn how to draw with Copics, you can check Sandy's classes. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, last but not least, no, the last thing I want to share is these cards that I made for Tonic for their new kit. Maybe I can insert a video here where I did unboxing. This is the first card. So cute. My son went crazy. He said he wants all these cards. I said, you know what? I'm gonna share it with my friends. I'm gonna give you all these cards. And finally the turtle. So cute. Yeah, so that's what I have for today. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.